Hello, I am Gary Malik, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a motherboard. Now most likely your motherboard will come with an adapter plate like this. You take this here and you install it in this hole here, so therefore there are no empty spaces. And this is designed for your motherboard specifically, so make sure you use the right one and not just one you have laying around, and then you put your motherboard in. First thing you have to do is find out where the holes on your board, here's another one here, are going to line up inside of your case. Now I've already installed them. You see these gold little guys here? These come with your motherboard. These little gold screws. You put them in the hole, screw them all in with your fingers. Get them in there. See, you got them in there on all the corners. Take your motherboard in, slide it towards the back. Be very gentle. Get it to line up with the adapter plate that you put in the back there. And now all the holes are lined up. You can start to tighten in the screws where you put in the gold pieces. I have one right here. Make sure you use all the hardware that comes with the motherboard. It comes with it for a reason. You just screw everything in very gently and carefully. And there you have it. Perfectly installed motherboard. Just follow those couple easy steps. Be very gentle, very careful, and make sure you don't break anything. And it's easy as pie.